And thank you for tuning in today. We're doing what you would call a shade instead of a tin roof, which is very hot. So the shade, the bamboo can be trained to come over the whole area and shade it so that it is a shade for the rabbits, because the rabbits have to have it cool. Or the fighting cocks. The fighting cocks have to be safe. So with the bamboo and the trees and the wire, the matting, then it'll be more safe. Here we tried to do trees, but they broke the trees. Tried to plant malunggay, they broke the malunggay down. So I'll just do a German rock wall. So thank you for watching, and you have a pleasant day. And then here, this is what they're doing. It's called a living wall of vines. I'm going to have living wall here. I'll put one more of the matting, so there'll be 1, 2, 8 feet high, and then it will grow up all the way up. So thank you for watching, and you have a pleasant day. I'm having to dig deep to get rid of all the gravel, see, all the rocks, because they can't grow. But with the other, it can grow. So thank you for watching. You have a pleasant day. There's Aaron, who should be excelling in school, but is just playing around. God bless you.